here on this video, I'm going to talk about GoTyme Bank. Super dali lang mag-open account. Super dali. Super dali lang. Tofu. GoTyme Bank is a new digital bank in the Philippines. It is in partnership with the GoTyme Group and the Singaporean headquartered digital bank group called Tyme. Kaya GoTyme. Wow! The GoTyme Group is one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines. Sila din yung may-ari ng Robinsons. GoTyme Bank is regulated and licensed by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. What makes GoTyme Bank different from other digital wallets or digital banks? Well, si GoTyme nag-o-offer din siya ng transactions, transfers, and reward services na in-offer ng mga digital wallets, but with the additional benefits of a digital bank na nagpro-provide ng full banking services such as interest-earning deposit accounts, no balance limits, and investments. In addition to the app, meron din silang sariling kiosk, which enables customers to open an account and receive a working Visa ATM debit card in a couple of minutes. Super dali lang mag-open an account and get your free ATM card. To know more, don't forget to check my next video. Doon ipapakita ko yung step-by-step process on how to open an account and kung paano mo i-generate yung ATM card mo from the kiosk. Ang kagandahan din dito is that the account is totally free. No minimum deposit or maintaining balance is required. Ano nga bang pwede natin gawin sa GoTyme Bank account? Shop and earn points on all your spend when using the GoTyme ATM debit card. Pwede din kayo mag-save ng money when you redeem your points into cash. Pwede din kayong bumili ng load and other digital vouchers through the GoTyme app. Pwede din kayo mag-send ng money to your other friends' bank accounts through InstaPay or PesoNet. And pwede din kayo mag-create ng savings account that earns interest. Create ng saving goals by monitoring your saving accounts and using the automated tools na pinoprovide ng app. Now, let's talk about the GoSave feature ni GoTyme Bank. Sa GoSave, ang maganda dito is that they have several automation tools na pwede natin gamitin. One is the autosave. It allows us to automatically save a portion of our money in our savings account, which can be done in a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. It's up to us kung anong pipiliin natin. Another is Save the Change. It enables our GoTyme Bank Visa debit card na i-round up yung mga purchases natin and then yung excess money na yon is i-deposit niya sa savings account. So we could choose either round it up to the nearest tens or the nearest hundreds. You can create up to 5 saving accounts in GoTyme. Some things to note though, that yung main account natin, kung nasan yung pera natin na pangbayad, does not earn interest. Kung gusto niyo mag-earn ng interest, you should place it in a GoTyme savings account. Interest per year is 5% and it is credited monthly to your account. There is no minimum or maximum deposit in order to earn interest on your account. So kahit piso lang yan, makakapag-earn pa rin siya ng interest. So the sample computation ng interest is the amount by the end of the day times 5%, multiply it to 1 divided by 365 days because the interest is 5% per year. So the 5% applies starting April 1, 2023. Kaya as of now, yun yung interest rate nila, which may vary in the future. Interest rate for the account, like I said before, is monthly and it's credited on the first day of the month and is subject to 20% withholding tax. Makikita niyo naman yung breakdown on the transactions history of the app. To learn more, I'm going to upload a step-by-step process on how to open a GoSave account, how to use these automated tools, and to see the actual interest earned. So don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified when that video comes out. Go Rewards. Meron din silang Go Rewards system. GoTyme Bank gives 1 point for every 600 pesos spend using QRPH payments.
You'll know that it's a QRPH code if you see the QRPH logo on it.
So to any merchant ito, you pay online by using the QR code. Ito siya. If the merchant is a partner store naman, pwede kayong mag-earn ng additional points through Go Rewards. Granted na present nyo yung Go Rewards QR code dun sa merchant. Ito yung mga list of merchants nila. To earn up to 3 times Go Reward points, gamitin nyo lang yung GoTyme ATM debit card instead. So ngayon, meron ka ng points. Saan ba magagamit tong reward points? Pwede nyo gamitin yung points na pangbayad sa mga Go Reward partner merchants. Kailangan nyo lang i-present yung Go Rewards QR code dun sa merchant or yung barcode dun sa likod ng ATM card nyo. Pwede nyo din i-redeem yung Go Rewards points as cash. You can do this directly from your GoTyme mobile app. The cash conversion will be credited directly dun sa GoTyme Bank account nyo. So, nakagawa na kayo ng account. Paano mag-cash in on your account? You can cash in for free in any of their partner Robinsons retail locations. Pwede niyo tignan yung nearest Robinsons stores on the GoTyme mobile app. Pwede din kayo mag-transfer from other banks using PesoNet or InstaPay. Hanapin niyo lang yung GoTyme Bank on your bank's mobile app. To know how to cash in, I'm going to upload a separate video for that. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and stay tuned when that video comes out. How to cash out naman from the GoTyme Bank? Cashing out is for free on any partner Robinsons retail locations. Again, pwede nyo tignan yung stores nearest to you on their mobile app. So, ito yung mga Robinsons malls, Robinsons supermarkets. Yan. Doon kayo pwede mag-cash in and cash out for free. You can also withdraw from the debit card at any BankNet ATM nationwide. Kapag mag-withdraw kayo from any Robinsons Bank ATM, free din yon. To summarize, here is the list of charges and fees. So when you deposit at the Robinsons Supermarket, it is for free. Withdrawal at Robinsons Supermarket is also free. ATM withdrawals are subject to the bank's ATM fees. Fund transfers between GoTyme Bank accounts is free. Fund transfers to Robinsons Bank accounts are also free. Fund transfers to other local banks and e-wallets via InstaPay and PesoNet is free for the first 3 transfers per week. Then 8 pesos per transaction for succeeding transfers. So compared to other digital banks and digital wallets, mas okay na siya kasi they usually charge a fee immediately. So as long as ang maximum mo lang for transfer is 3 times per week, free yung pag-transfer mo to other banks. And kung nag-exceed ka naman sa 3 transfers per week, very minimal lang yung fee, which is 8 pesos. Comparing it to other digital banks or digital wallets, umaabot pa sila ng 10 pesos to 15 or even 25 pesos. But if you lose your card, kailangan magbayad ng 150 pesos for the new card. So, free lang siya dun sa first card nyo. Something to note, effective ito from June 29, 2023. The 3 free transfers per week reset every Monday ng 12 a.m. I've been using this bank for the past month now and so far, sobrang gusto ko siya. I even like it na meron silang free debit card and very useful siya. It's another option for a digital bank and a digital wallet and I highly recommend it. Convenient pa siya kasi marami siyang partner merchants. So the more chances na makakapag-earn ako through my purchases and get reward points. I hope you guys learned something on this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you guys. Bye!